Hi friends, summer is the best time to decorate our garden using clay pots. And how these handmade clay pots attract birds to our garden, come let's see. For this, I welcome you all to my channel. Let's start. Take some medium-sized clay pots and paint it white. Then, with the help of a marker, draw some figures over it. Look, I am drawing here some fruits and some birds. And I am drawing it at the base. Then paint these with different colors. Now our pots are looking very pretty, isn't it? Now come let's tie this in our garden. See, these are enhancing the beauty of our garden and home entrance. Put some grains inside these pots and make your garden a favorite place of sweet and lovely birds. Keep decorating and thanks for watching.